Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Earning 15,000 to 36,000 rupees per logo design on Fiverr is a realistic goal. Here are some steps to help you work towards achieving it. 1. Develop your design skills. Enhance your logo design skills by practicing regularly and studying design principles and trends. Stay updated with industry software, such as Adobe Illustrator, and learn new techniques to improve your abilities. 2. Build a strong portfolio. Create a portfolio that showcases your best logo designs. Include a variety of styles, concepts, and industries to demonstrate your versatility and range as a designer. Your portfolio should reflect your ability to create professional and visually appealing logos. 3. Define your services. Determine the specific logo design services you will offer, such as company logos, brand identity packages, or social media graphics. Clearly describe your offerings in your gig description to attract the right clients. 4. Set competitive pricing. Research the market and analyze the pricing strategies of other logo designers on Fiverr. Consider your experience, skills, and the time required to complete each project. Set your prices at a level that reflects the value you provide while remaining competitive. 5. Provide outstanding customer service. Communicate promptly and effectively with clients. Understand their brand vision, target audience, and design preferences. Regularly update them on the progress of their logo design and be open to their feedback and revisions. 6. Offer additional services. Upsell additional design services, such as stationery design, social media kits, or brand guidelines, to increase your earnings per project. Providing comprehensive branding solutions can attract clients who are willing to pay more for a complete package. 7. Cultivate positive reviews and ratings. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews and ratings for your services. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, attracting more clients and increasing your earning potential. 8. Market your services. Promote your logo design services beyond Fiverr by utilizing social media platforms, creating a website or blog, and participating in design communities. Share your portfolio, testimonials, and success stories to attract potential clients and generate leads. 9. Seek repeat clients and referrals. Develop relationships with clients who have ongoing design needs. Offer discounts or incentives for repeat work and encourage them to refer your services to others. Word-of-mouth recommendations can contribute significantly to your overall earnings. Remember that success on Fiverr comes with persistence, continuous improvement, and exceptional customer service. Focus on delivering high-quality logo designs, providing value to clients, and marketing your services effectively. By honing your skills, building a strong reputation, and offering exceptional customer experiences, you can work towards earning 15,000 to 36,000 rupees per logo design on Fiverr. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.